Today we are going to attest for a MIPS improvement activity, also known as IA, using your MDinteractive account. First, choose your favorite web browser and go to www.mdinteractive.com. Once on our homepage, you can enter in the username and password for your account. If you do not have an account, please select Create an Account and follow the steps to create your MDinteractive account. Now let's log in. Once you are on your home page for your MDinteractive account, please come to the top and select from the drop-down options. You will see an option for MIPS Measures Reporting. Please select that option. Now you are inside your MIPS Measures Reporting tool. You begin by selecting the reporting option that you have chosen for your MIPS categories. Those options may be either individual or group reporting. As an individual, you would enter in your NPI and tax ID number and click Add a Provider. As a group with 2 or more physicians that bill under the same tax ID, you would simply enter a 0 for the NPI and put in the tax ID number used to bill Medicare. For the purposes of this example, we will go for the group reporting option. Once you have entered your provider, go ahead and click Add, View, Edit Measures. Now you have successfully entered the MIPS Measures Reporting tool. As you can see, there's a tab for Quality Measures, Advancing Care Information, and Improvement Activities. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to look specifically at Improvement Activities. Please click Next on that tab. There are several important things to note about improvement activities. Customers are required to complete a combination of activities listed for 90 days at minimum. Each activity is weighted as either a medium weight or a high weight activity. To achieve a maximum score for improvement activities, a clinician that works in a group with 15 or fewer providers may select either 1 high-weighted activity or 2 medium-weighted activities. Clinicians working with groups larger will need to attest for more activities, either 2 high-weighted, 1 high-weighted, and 2 medium-weighted, or 4 medium-weighted activities. As you can see, there are a total of 92 improvement activity measures to select from. Within our system, you can filter these activities 2 different ways. One, by the subcategory name, which are the 8 subcategories, which all 92 measures are broken down into, or they can be sorted by the activity weighting, either high-weighted and worth 20 points each, or medium-weighted and worth 10 points each. Next, you will enter in the reporting period you performed the improvement activity or activities you have chosen. Please note that future dates cannot be entered into the system. You can only enter dates for activities that you have already completed in 2017. For the purposes of this example, I will enter an activity that I began on April 1st and completed for at least a minimum of 90 days, which would be July 1st. Now you can select the activity that you performed during the time period listed. For the purposes of this example, I am going to select Care Transition Documentation Practice Improvements. As you look, you can see that this is a medium-weighted activity in the care coordination area. The description that CMS has given for this activity is listed here. By selecting Add, you will notice on the right-hand side of the screen that I have now added 1 improvement activity that I have completed. It's worth 3.75 points total. Please notice that the blue bar at the bottom of the page gives you the total score of the MIPS points for the category that you are currently working on, in this case, improvement activities. However, in the green bar below, you will see the total points for all combined MIPS activities, your quality score, advancing care information, and improvement activities. Once you have selected the activities that you completed, you may now select Done to save. As you can see, our selections were successfully saved, and we are automatically returned to the front of the MIPS measures reporting tool. You will notice within our MIPS score for quality, ACI, and improvement activities that our improvement activity has now been added to our total score. Congratulations! You have now successfully completed your first attesting for an improvement activity for MIPS. Thank you.